Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevy Stroker 475 horsepower package for our customer's 1965 GMC C10 fleet side long bed. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We have the late model block, 4-bolt main block, 1-piece rear main seal, double roller timing chain in there, special comp cams, roller lifter camshaft in here. We have the Edelbrock Performer RPM aluminum cylinder heads, American made. These real nice Taylor ignition wires, American made, with the wire markers on there. We have the engine block painted to blue. Proper oil pan for the C10. We have these real nice 383 stroker black valve covers. Aluminum intake manifold. Proper thermostat housing for the C10. Thermostats installed. The black Holley Sniper EFI fuel injection with the Black Ridge air cleaner. We have the throttle cable ball on there, throttle return spring, MSD ignition coil, proper small cap distributor for the C10, so you'll have the firewall clearance. That's real important. We have all the vacuum fittings hooked up for the customer, heavy duty Russell fuel lines, AN fittings, proper gas filter, high torque mini starter, dipstick and tube setup, proper standard flywheel, proper tooth count and balance, pilot bushings in there. This is the way you get it when you buy from Engine Factory, complete turnkey, ready to go. We live run every engine for 45 minutes. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand. This Holley Sniper EFI system will be all set up for the customer. The menu screen will be all set, plug and play, ready to go. So you'll have the confidence when you put the engine in, be absolutely perfect. You'll get pictures of the entire engine build sent to you. So here you have it, 383 stroker. This is our 475 horsepower package. You can go on our website, EngineFactory.com. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554. Or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. We're family owned and operated business, been in business for over 50 years. So there you have it, 383 Chevy Stroker. Thanks for watching.